Manipurda chanahalagli afaspa laingakna sahi amaga sangdokhankhre. December 2021 ki nungthilda Nagaland ki Mon district ki Oting village da lanmi singna micham khunja taraga humdoi nongmaina kaptuna hatkiba thokdok ki matungda Nagaland Legislative Assembly na state atudagi afaspa pumlog lokthokadabani haibaga loinana hairiba ek asibu chanahandriba Meghalaya gi Chief Minister Conrad K Sangmanasu laibak asigi awang nongpok state singda Thamliba afaspa 1958 lokthokadabani haibagi akanba wafam sing Delhi gi lusingba singda phongdoktuna lakpaga iroinana Manipur amasung awang nongpoki lupsing nasu ek asigi mayokta akanba wafam sing phongdok nakhrabasu Manipur laingakna de state asida mahausadagi chanahalagliba afaspa 1958 pu amukka hanna chahi amagi oina chanhananaba sangdokhalamlei Manipur da operate tawriba tongan ba underground outfit sing Laksinduna namthananabagidamag hawkiba kumja lising amaga chamapan marfuge aroiba saruktage state asibu disturbed area state ta thamlaba matungda chanahalakiba Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 chanagadaba matam chahi amaga amukhanna sangdokhankhre masigi matangda Manipur laingaki Home Department ki maikaidage Special Secretary Ais Gyan Prakash na mamang thage nipan haibadi December nipan 2021 da notification number 2/8 close 6 by 97 home thokre Special Secretary Home gi notification asigi matungin na tongan ba extremist insurgent group singge violate activities singna maram oiraduna civil power da mateng pangna bagi damak Armed Forces sing sisinana bagi distaff oiraba phibam leire haina lauraduna Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 ke provision makhada Imphal Municipal Area Singkhak yaudana lemhauriba state asigi mafam pumnamakta December 2021 dage lakhatladuna ek asigi disturbed area status chahi amagi oina sangdokhale haire notification asi Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 Act number 28 of 1958 ke section ahum na piba power gi matungin na Manipur da afaspa chahi amagi oina sangdokhale haire Brinda BJP active member oire haibagi ID card social media da viral oirakre ya school assembly constituency da handak pangthokodoriba taragani thoi suba Manipur Legislative Assembly mikhalda mirep oinanaba sem saribe thaunaujam Brinda mapuroiba Rajkumar Singlen BJP da yaure haibaga loinana BJP gi active member oibagi identity card social media da viral oirakpada miyamna ngakpa poknakre Wafam asi kadai phawba chumlabano haibage matangda Brinda amasung BJP Manipur State Unit ki President A Sardana wafam amata phongdorokpa leitre masinasu amukka hena miyamda angakpa phawholle hiram asigi matangda BJP Imphal Central District ke President Aribam Punyavanta Sarma kauba miyoy amana BJP Manipur Pradesh ki President da chapsaba wafam ama lepthoknaba wakat ama thangatpagi serolso social media da viral oirakhe Sherol aduda palliba wafam singde January tarukta Ya School Assembly Constituency gi Ward number 18 gi Hanagi Councilor Brahmapur Aribam Laikai dagi Salam Santos kaubamiyo yamana BJP gi matam sangna thabak tawraklabani haiba Ya School dagi Guru Mayum Mahavir Sarma kaubamiyo yamaga laktuna BJP Manipur Pradesh ki active member oinanaba lakhe maduda Guru Mayum Mahavir bu active member oinanaba mention daba active member form amada Thajanabagi matungina punya bantana sign tawkhe adum oinamag Gurumayum Mahavir gi ming mensilakpagi mahud Ya School Janmasthan Hisam Yaisam Patage Thaunaujam Brinda gi ming mention duna active member oihankre active member number na BJP 19/14/11730 oire Thaunaujam Brinda hana khangnakiba natraga unakiba laite maramaduna Thaunaujam Brindabu BJP Manipur Pradesh ki active member ama oibada BJP Imphal Central District ke President ama oina sakhangba natraga ayaba piba laite isu asigi matangda BJP Manipur State President na chapsaba ma khanganaba haijabani hainasu cherola duta palle Class 10 exam ki online submission matam laukthokre Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem na sindu na pangthokodoriba ISSLC examination 2022 gidamag online da application form sing Thagalaknaba board asigi controller of examination na mari lainaba high school amasung higher secondary school gi principal sing da khangalakle online da application form thagatpagi thabak chaliba tha asigi taraga humdoi dage yaragani haina phongdorokpaga loinana January taraga humdoi dage February taruk fauba fine yaudana form submission tauba yagani aduga Mahiroi amada fine lupa chahumga loinana February 3 na February 19 phauba form thazilakpa yagani haire regular amasung external mahiroi singge examination fee gi apunba senfam lupa lising ani ga chamri oigani haire department kayana dead back tawduna order thokpagi matangda sip election commissioner da wakat khrei tarani thoi suba Manipur legislative assembly gi mikhal pangthokna bagi matam tha asigi nipan da election commission of India na laukthokki baga loinana model code of conduct chana bahukhrei BJP na lusingba Manipur lenga ki tongan tongan ba department singna dead back tawduna order kaya thokle haibagi thajaba yaba paw leire hiram asigi matangda yengsinbina ba election commission of India ge sip election commissioner da ayi bacherolama Communist Party of India ge Manipur State Secretary L Sotin Kumar na khuyek piduna thakhrei cherol adugi matungina cabinet mifam ama phamduna aided college khara full fledged college ohenana ba order dead back tawduna January 3 ta thokna ba warep laukhre haibagi paw leire government aided college adu full fledged college ohenana ba achouba senfam khomgat khre haibagi thajaba leire hainasu cherol du da palle cherol aduna makata na phongdokibada Manipur gi mahiroi organization kharanasu aided college sing full fledged college ohengani haina achouba senfam ama khomgat le haina phongdokiba masung pause sing da yaurkiba su leikre haire maduta natana tongan tongan balainga ki department sing na order thongna ba process tawre haibagi thajaba leire thogdok asi election model code of conduct ke mayoktani hainasu wakat cherol adu da palle ahanwa phase ki mikhal nongmaijing numita tavana yaithokna ba haijakhrei election commission of India na Manipur yauna state manga gi assembly election pangthokna bagi matam laukthoki ba matungina Manipur gi oina de ahanwa phase pangthokadoriba February 13 ase nongmaijing numita oire Christian lining chatpa singi oina de numit asida mikhal pangthokpada mapung phana saruk yaba ngamloidabagi phibam da lei ahanwa phase ta chingi constituency singsu yaure tribal community singde Christian lining chatpa ayambane numit asi suti oiba amasung lai khurumbagi senglaba numit amasu oire Christian lining chatpa singi thajaba amasung chanabi yengduna State Election Commission na mikhal asida mapung phana saruk yahanana bagi damak chingi constituency singi oiba atopa numit amada leptuna mikhal pangthokna ba hotna biyo nongmaijing nataba numit amada mikhal pangthokna ba thoksil paikhat piyu haina All Tribal Student Union Manipur ge secretary na thadorok pacherol amana phongdorok le JP Nada COVID positive oire Bharatiya Janata Party BJP gi president JP Nada yauna politician kaya COVID-19 positive oire haina agency dagi phangba paw amana haire BJP gi president JP Nada ge masagi Twitter account da mahak singnaningai oiba layong sing lakpadagi test tawrubada positive oire maramaduna mahak kanakna ruba miyoi singsu test tawthokna na bawarol sing upload tawrakhrei amaromda Union Defense Minister Rajnath Singh Bihar gi Chief Minister Nitish Kumar Delhi gi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal Rajasthan gi Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot Bihar gi Deputy Chief Minister Tarkishwar Prasad amade Renu Devi yauna laibak asigi politician kaya ama COVID-19 nauna positive oiba thengnare haire aroibada tabidi bapumnamakpu thagatsare